hold my heart, and as it fell, you used to claim it. It was dark and I was over. Then you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands still strong, but my knees were far too weak. Standing in your arms without falling to your feet. But it's a sign to you that I never knew. Okay. Games you played, they were never true. The games you played, you would always win. So I set fire to the rain and burn into flames. When I felt of the light, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain and I burst into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh, my hand was strong, but my knees were far too weak. In your eyes, when I fall to your feet. But it's a sign to you that I never knew. All the games you played, they were never true. In the games you waited, you would always win. So I set fire to the rain, had you pour into flames. When I felt something burning, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, then I burst into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door and Lord, you always be waiting for you. Even life went rolling it over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. Again. I set fire to the rain and I burst into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. I set fire to the rain, then I burst into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Let it burn. Thanks.
Here we are with Gordon Airlie on Buchanan Street. Gordon, there are 60 odd people watching.
Hi guys.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you are sleeping, and you're far away dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. And every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes, don't wanna fall asleep. 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you, seriously, I never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, wondering if you are sleeping, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. And I just wanna lay with you in this moment forever.
But my battery's dying.
Right, okay.
Try and get one more tune out of this battery.
You'll always be my number one, whole lot more than good enough. Giving everything I got, making every second loss. 6 years just ain't enough. With you I'm happy being me. Don't pretend 'cause I don't need to. I'm 1,000 miles away. As good as honesty, you see face to face. But I guess we never saw us coming. If we're around the world calling, I wanted you to know that I have all I need. You are standing right in front of me. To be complete, no need to spend our lives chasing gold. Anywhere with you will call my home. And though I have all I need, if you be the better half for me, always be my own. All I'm more than good enough. Every second lost, every moment to see all. But I guess we never saw this coming. We're on the world calling. I wanted you to know that I have all I need. If you are standing right in front of me, no need to spend our lives chasing gold. Anywhere with you will call my home. And all I have, all I need. If you would be the better half of me. what it means to be complete. No need to spend our lives chasing gold. Anywhere with you would call my home. And though I have all I need, if you would be the better half for me. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks very much for watching Facebook. I'm going to finish this live stream here. I'm going to give Gordon some money and you can do the same. I'll put the PayPal pool link at the bottom that I'll put in comments. Bye Facebook.